continue in that matter. And I presume you're done also, Miss Zenda.
I am. I was just about to say it.
All right. Well, you have a great weekend. Miss Kirby, are you there? I see you.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, Miss Kirby, I guess everybody's mentioning it, and the court's going to take a moment of personal privilege here. Is this your last PCC day?
Yes, it is.
Miss Kirby, and if the recorder would take down the court's remarks and make this part of a separate record, please, for me. Miss Kirby, you've been with me on prelims for about 1.5 years. I will tell you, when they first told me you were coming over, I had great trepidation as to what was going to happen. Because your reputation had preceded you. I will just say, on behalf of this judge and a very grateful court here at 14A1, that you've done an admirable job, going many times way beyond the call of what would be normally expected in the case. It has been, and I don't say this about attorneys often, but I will tell you, if you can mute that, please. I will tell you that it has been an absolute joy to work with you. You have a certain spunk and spark about you. I won't go into any stories about things that have happened, but you have had that. You bring an intellect and a zealous advocacy for the people to the court that is sometimes refreshing for the court, many times to maybe what may be the dismay of defense counsel in terms of your knowledge of the law and your persistence in pursuing what you believe is justice. But you have done us well here in Washtenaw County. We owe you a great deal of thanks. And I know that things will work out for you at the Attorney General's office. So our loss is certainly the state of Michigan's gain. But I also will tell you that should that ever not work out, should you ever decide that you want to come back to this place that, quite frankly, you have to call your home, you're always welcome back. And we would be grateful if that were to occur to have you back. But really, on behalf of myself and Alan and my entire staff, thank you so very much for bringing all the joy and everything that you brought to this court. Thank you. Madam Recorder, please prepare those separate remarks of the court, prepare those in the form of a transcript as well as the video, and present those to Ms. Kirby so that she may maintain those into posterity. Thank you again, Kate, for everything.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I would make some comments back to you, but I will do that when I see you in person on Friday, because I fear I might cry and I don't want to do that, so people can record it.
All righty. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Actually, we'll see her next Friday. Court calls the case, People versus Marvin Howell.
Alec Jablowski for the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Michael Vincent on behalf of Mr. Holland, who's sitting next to me in my conference room. Mr. Holland, state your name to the judge.
Marvin Holland.
Right. What are we doing on these cases?
Your Honor, we just were informed that there's a zip drive and.
Your Honor, we just need to drop off a zip drive to have evidence copied on that. So if we could just get an adjournment of the PCC, that would be appreciated.
All right.
And Your Honor, full confession, I don't know what a zip drive is.
I know, Mr. Vincent. Mr. Vincent, you don't understand what you look like on camera. I knew you had no clue what you were talking about. From the previous case, when you said, is this the one about the zip drive? And then when you got here, this one was all something about the zip drive. And you're like, no, you say something, because I don't.
Exactly. Exactly.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned October 26, 2023, 9 a.m. or as your Zoom invite indicates. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I think that's it for us. That's a great note to leave on. All right. Thank you, everyone. Do appreciate it.